Hello everyone, my name's Hannah and I'm from procandlesupply.com. Make sure you check out my website where you can get all of your candle making needs right in one place. Or check out one of our candle making kits if you're just getting started. I've included the links in the description below. Today we're going to be talking about how much wax candle containers hold and how to find out how much wax your container will hold. I get a lot of questions about the sizes of candle containers. People seem to be getting confused by the liquid volume a container can hold versus how much wax by weight it can hold. I'll explain how sizing works and how to apply it to candle making. First and foremost, there are a lot of containers out there. Many of them are designed to be used with more than just candle making. Most manufacturers of containers list the size based on the liquid volume that they hold. This is not very helpful for us candle makers because we always formulate candles by weight and not by liquid volume. And thus it's very confusing to someone who's just starting. The containers on our website show the industry standard liquid volume as well as how much actual soy wax they will hold by weight. For example, the 8-ounce candle tin here holds 8 ounces of liquid volume, but only 6 ounces of melted wax by weight. This holds true for nearly any 8-ounce candle tin you buy anywhere. The 16-ounce candle tin holds 16 ounces of liquid volume and approximately 10 ounces of melted wax by weight. The 16-ounce mason jar holds 16 ounces of liquid volume and approximately 12 ounces of melted wax by weight. Remember, when making candles, you always formulate them by weight, not by volume. It's extremely important that you always weigh out your fragrances and wax on a kitchen scale. Never use a liquid measuring device. If you measure out 16 fluid ounces of fragrance oil or wax with a liquid measuring device, it will not be the same amount as if you weigh out 16 ounces by weight of fragrance or wax on a scale. Here I have our 16-ounce mason jar. It holds 16 ounces of water and is sold as a 16-ounce jar nearly everywhere you can buy it. But when making a candle, it will not hold 16 ounces of wax by weight. Let me demonstrate this for you. What I'm about to show you is also a really good trick to find out how much wax any candle container will hold. First, you turn the scale on and make sure it's in ounces. Check, check. Then you're going to put the jar onto the scale. Then go ahead and tear it out so the scale reads 0. Sorry, there's a little bit of a glare on the scale, so we tilted it a little bit. Now you should be able to see it. So, we have the scale, it's on, it's in ounces, we put the jar on, we teared it out, and now we're at 0 ounces. So now you're gonna take your melted soy wax and you're gonna pour it into the jar until it hits the neck of the jar, or until where you wanna fill your candle to. As you can see on the scale, pouring to the neck of the jar gives me approximately 12 ounces by weight of soy wax. This would be the perfect fill amount for my candle. And now I know that I need 12 ounces of wax by weight each time I want to make this candle. Like I said before, you can do this with any jar you have if you want to know how much wax it will hold by weight. Now that we have 12 ounces, let me show you what would happen if I actually tried to put 16 ounces of wax by weight into this jar. Ooh, we're right at the top. I don't want to keep pouring and make a huge mess, but as you can see, the candle jar is filled all the way to the tippy top. And as you can see, the candle wax weighs 15 ounces. Obviously, you're not making candles like this because this wouldn't burn properly. There's no room for the wick. It's obviously not a correct candle. So the jar doesn't hold 16 ounces of wax. It only holds 12 ounces of wax to be a correct size candle. So moral of the story is this: make sure you never make your candles based on liquid volume. Throw your liquid measuring devices into the cupboard and don't use them at all when you're making candles. So I hope this helped clear up some confusion. My wax is about to spill. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to find out how much wax and fragrance you need to make a specific number of candles. I've definitely shown this in previous videos, but I've decided I need to make a designated video just for this topic with some extra helpful tips and tricks so it's easy to find and view. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Bye!